first known wheeled vehicle was made. This discovery revolutionized the world system of transportation and introduced the greatest mechanical invention of all time. The Babylonians were the first to divide the circle into 360 degrees. The Mesopotamian contribution to music and musical theory has only just been discovered. Archaeologists have known for many years that Mesopotamia had musical instruments, particularly harps and lyres. But it was only recently that the contents of a cuneiform tablet that had mystified scholars for 70 years was interpreted. These discoveries carry the history of music and musical theory back to more than 1,000 years before the first known Greek musical notation. Before this time, it was generally believed that the musical effect of forming melody and accompaniment was no older than the European Middle Ages. This new evidence verifies the first record in history of a musical scale and a coherent musical system. The people from Mesopotamia invented and developed techniques that have become major tools for our Western civilization. And though these tools have altered in detail, they have never changed in basic concept. They built the first cities. And gave birth to the development of city planning. Constructed multi-storied towers, the Tower of Babel. The magnificent hanging gardens of Babylon. Developed roads. Invented the arch. Discovered the technique of damp proving. Originated the construction of bridges and canals and aqueducts and sewage disposal systems. Created incredible architectural designs such as the Gate of Ishtar. Developed the use of metals. Generated the advancement in the knowledge of astronomy, developing the first observatory, succeeded in calculating the movement of the planets, forecasted eclipses of the moon, created the 12 signs of the zodiac, introduced musical poetry, which created the seed of our modern-day song. Gave rise to the birth of arts in visual animal pictures and pottery. Perfected sailing ships. Founded agriculture, bringing man to the end of his nomadic existence. Invented the plow, creating the first economic revolution. Initiated artificial irrigation, bringing large areas of land under cultivation and watering them artificially. Gave birth to a merchant class and a system of trade. Manufactured linen, creating the textile industry.
Organized the concept of city and state. As we chart our destinies to make a mark in this evolving Western civilization, we must remember these major contributions. And by acknowledging these remarkable achievements, we pass on a legacy of quality to future generations that shall be assimilated and expanded upon. This is the legacy of the people of Mesopotamia, the Assyrians.